Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread nasta at home. First, ensure you have fresh bread slices, your favorite chopped vegetables, and essential spices like turmeric and chili powder ready. Next, set up your cooking area with a pan and oil. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. We'll cover everything from mixing to the final garnish, ensuring your nasta is perfect every time. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing and shaping. In a bowl, combine your finely chopped onions, bell peppers, and other veggies with a half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Add a tablespoon of graham flour to bind it all. Lightly dampen your bread slices, then gently press the vegetable mixture onto them or roll them into small cylinders. It's time to cook our delicious bread nasta. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place your shaped bread nasta pieces into the hot oil. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Once cooked, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any extra oil. Your homemade bread nasta is ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with your favorite mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or a classic tomato ketchup. Don't hesitate to get creative. Try adding grated cheese, corn, or even some finely chopped spinach to the mixture for exciting variations. Remember, cooking is all about personalizing your dishes. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.